Hi everyone, I'm Mohamed Naguib, a cybersecurity researcher with over 19 years of experience in information technology and cybersecurity. Welcome back to our Cloud Security Mastery course. As you know, in this series, we're taking a structured approach starting from the fundamentals of cloud computing and gradually advancing into the critical aspects of securing cloud environments. Whether you're seeking to be a cloud architect, DevOps engineer,
DevSecOps engineer,
or an aspiring cloud security engineer, or cloud penetration tester, this course is designed to give you the deep practical knowledge you need to excel. So let's start now. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive deeper into this course on cloud architecture and cloud security, I want to highlight something super important that will come up again and again: the shared responsibility model. This concept defines what you as a customer are responsible for and what AWS is responsible for when using the cloud. Shared responsibility explained. Let me bring up the shared responsibility diagram on the screen here. You'll see this diagram a lot throughout this course. So here's the key idea: you are responsible for security in the cloud. AWS is responsible for security of the cloud. That means anything you build or configure in AWS is your full responsibility, from how you set up security to managing your data, your operating system, your network settings, and your firewall configurations. AWS won't configure these for you. It's on you to secure them properly. AWS responsibility, on the other hand, AWS is in charge of securing the underlying infrastructure, the hardware, the software that powers their services, and their internal security systems. So, in short, AWS takes care of the foundation while you secure everything you build on top of it. Exam focus. If you're preparing for the Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, you'll definitely get questions about which parts of security are your responsibility versus AWS's responsibility. We'll be referring back to this diagram throughout the course whenever we discuss specific services. Acceptable use policy. Another thing you need to know: when you use AWS, you automatically agree to their acceptable use policy. Let me open that here real quick on the screen. Here's the page where you can find it. It basically says you cannot perform illegal, harmful, or offensive activities, engage in any security violations, abuse AWS networks, or misuse email or messaging services. Most of this is common sense, but it's good to have it clearly stated. Alright, that's our quick overview of the shared responsibility model and the acceptable use policy. Now I hope you're ready, because in the next section we'll actually get hands on with the cloud.